welcome to the Hub of Knowledge Study Style. Good evening, guys. So, guess what we are going to do today? We are going to play a puzzle today, and this will be a very healthy puzzle, and you will like it. What you have to do, you just have to estimate where the state would be put on. I will give you some puzzles of state, and then you will guess where you will put these states in the right direction and in the appropriate place. So let's start the puzzle. You will be fun. So guys, as you can see it over here, that these are the puzzle states, and you have to put them in the proper place in a country India. And then we will have a country with all the states, and we will have a political map. So let's start. So guys, as you can see, I have numbered the states. Now according to the number, you have to put these in this map. So let's start with the first state. As you can see that on the first position, we will take the state of Ladakh and we will put it over here. This one. It might be misplaced somewhere, but don't mind. Now we put the second state. This state, as you can guess, that this is Rajasthan, and we will put it over here in its right place. Now we will put the third state, and you can guess it that this is the state of Gujarat. It lies on the western coast. Now see this fourth state. As you can recognize it, this is the state of Maharashtra, and we will put it on its position. Let's try to fit this. Now we see the state fifth, and as you can see it over here, that this state is Karnataka, and in this puzzle we are going to fit it up here below Maharashtra. This is Karnataka, and then we will see the state 6. As you can see it over here, actually this is not the state now, this is a union territory, and this is Jammu, which lies over here. So here to the south of this Ladakh, we have 6th position union territory, which is known by the name Jammu and Kashmir. Now let us find the 7th puzzle. As you can see that this is the 7th state, and guess which state is this? This is the state of Himachal Pradesh, which will come over here down the Jammu and Kashmir. Now we will see the state 8th state, and you can see it over here that this is state which lies to the below Himachal Pradesh, and this state is Uttarakhand, and the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Now let's find out the 9th state. As you can see it over here that 9th state, where it has gone. Yeah, this is the 9th state in the pink color, and this is the state of Haryana. It lies over here to the west of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So we will take it here, this one. So here lies a state Haryana, and the capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Now let's see where our 10th state is. So here lies our 10th state, which is colored with brown color. So let's fit this state also. Here we can see this is Uttar Pradesh, and which is also touching boundary with Haryana, Uttarakhand. So here lies our Uttar Pradesh, and the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Now let us consider the 11th state. As you can see it over here that this red one is the state of Bihar, which lies to the east of Uttar Pradesh. So it lies over here, and the capital of Bihar is Patna. Now 12th state, as you can see with this blue color, this is the state of Jharkhand, and it lies to the south of Bihar, and it lies over here. And as you know that the capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Now we will consider our 13th state. Now as you can see this 13th state, this one is the state of Tamil Nadu, and you know that this Tamil Nadu, the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. So guys, as you can see it over here that this is not matching over here, so this is not Tamil Nadu, I guess. So we will put it over here. Here you can see that, yeah, this is Odisha. and the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. So we have to put them in the right direction. Now we have put it. So this is Odisha with its capital at Bhubaneswar. Now we will see the 14th. So here you can see the 14th state with the purple color, and this state is Chhattisgarh, and the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Now we have to see our 15th state. As you can see it over here, this is 15th state, and you know it very well that this is the state of Madhya Pradesh, and it will fit over here. So this is Madhya Pradesh, and its capital lies at Bhopal. Now we will see our 16th state. As you can see it over here, that this is the 16th state, and by this we can recognize it that this is the state of Andhra Pradesh. So this is Andhra Pradesh, and its capital is at Hyderabad. Now we will see the state 17th. As you know that this is Telangana state. It's very easy, and in 2014 it was carved out from Andhra Pradesh. So it will lies over here on the top of Andhra Pradesh. This is Telangana, and its capital also lies at Hyderabad. So guys, let's see the 18th state. As you can see it over here that this is the state with yellow color. Now as you can see that this is Tamil Nadu. So this is a South Indian country. Oh sorry, not state, it is a state, and the state this state capital is Chennai. So we have put it over here, Tamil Nadu. This is Tamil Nadu, Chennai capital. Now we will see the 19th state. As you can see this green color state, and this is very much visible that this is Kerala. So we'll put over here to the west of Tamil Nadu, and the capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Now we see the 20th state. As you can see it over here that this is colored with the brown color. This 20th state is West Bengal, and its capital is Kolkata. So we have put it over here. Now let us see the 21st state. As you can see that this is 21st state. This is colored with this red color, and this is Arunachal Pradesh. It lies over here in the northeast, and its capital is Itanagar. Now let us see this 22nd state, and this is state of Assam, which lies to the south of this Arunachal Pradesh, and the capital of Assam is Dispur. Now let us see this 23rd state. It is a very small state, as you can see it over here, and just guess which state is this. So this 23rd state is Tripura. As you can see it over here that this is Tripura, and the capital of Tripura is Agartala. Now let us consider the 24th state. As you can see it over here that this is 24th state by this purple color, and this lies over here. This is Mizoram. So this is Mizoram, and the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Now we take this 25th state, and as you can guess it that this is the state Manipur. So it lies over here. No guys, this is not Manipur because it is not fitting over here. So we have to consider any other state. So we can see that this one is state 27. This is Nagaland. So let us see it over here. Yeah, this is Nagaland, and the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. Now we will consider this 26th state. As we can see it over here, I think this is fitting over here, and this state is Manipur, and the capital of Manipur is Imphal. Now we just see this 25th state. This is surely be Meghalaya. So this is Meghalaya. As we can put it over here, 25th state, here it is right, and the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Now we consider 26th state. As you can see it over here, 26th we have already done, 27th we have done. Now we see 28th state. This is a very small state, and this is lies over here. This is Sikkim, and the capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. Now we see the 29th state. As you can see it over here, this is 29th state, and this is the leftover state over here. This is the state of Punjab, and it is very much clear that the state Punjab capital is Chandigarh. Haryana and Punjab both have the same capital at Chandigarh. Now we see this a small leftover state, and this is very small state which lies over here it is Goa, which lies here between Maharashtra and Karnataka. and the capital of Goa is Panji. So hopefully we have done all the states and capitals. Now we will write it. So as we can see, first is Ladakh, second is Jammu and Kashmir, third is Gujarat, fourth one is Maharashtra, and then fifth one is Karnataka. Oh guys, I have done it wrong. Second is Rajasthan. I'm so sorry. Then we come to the sixth state. As you can see, that sixth state is Jammu and Kashmir. Seventh one is Himachal Pradesh, and eighth one is Uttarakhand. Ninth state is Haryana. Then 10th is UP, that is Uttar Pradesh, and the 11th state is Bihar. 12th is Jharkhand. 13th state, as you can see it over here, that this is Odisha, and 14th is Chhattisgarh. Then we come to the 15th state, as you can see it over here, this is Madhya Pradesh. 16th one is Andhra Pradesh. 17th state is Telangana, and 18th one is Tamil Nadu, and 19th one is Kerala. 20th state, as you can see, this is West Bengal. 21st is Arunachal Pradesh, and 22nd is Assam, and you can see 23rd is Tripura, and 24th one is Mizoram. 25th is Meghalaya, and 26th is Manipur. 27th state, as you can see it over here, this is Nagaland, and 28th is Sikkim. And the last one over here, this is Gujarat. This is 29, and this is Gujarat. Oh sorry, Goa. 29th is Goa. So as you know that we have 29 states now, because our country was, our state Jammu and Kashmir was divided into two, Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. So we have 29 states now. So this is all for today. I hope you have liked the puzzle, which can also be played as a game. So guys, enjoy, and if you like my video, please like it, comment on it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.